Okay. Welcome once again to my channel. Today we are going to show you how we collect the BSF eggs, black soldier fly eggs. These are called Eggies. These are Eggies, and they've laid. All these things you are seeing are black soldier fly eggs. Let me take a closer look. That's how the egg look like. So they lay inside all these holes. We join 3 of the eggs together, 3 of these materials together, and they lay in between the joints. So you can see that's where they laid. So we have them all everywhere. So I'm going to open them to collect the eggs. So all you do is to remove we join it with rubber band. So I'm going to remove this rubber band. I'm going to remove the rubber band. You can see some are there already. So if you open this rubber band, hold on. So I've removed the rubber band. This is what it looks like. I'm going to open one of it. See how they lay their eggs. They lay their eggs in between the eggies that are joined. So to collect the egg, you need toilet paper like this, or serviette, whatever you want to use. Then that's a black soldier flag. Then you need a knife or a scraper, whatever you want to use to collect it. Then I'm going to scrape and collect these eggs. So I'm about to collect the eggs now. So this is it. So you need a knife to collect it. So what you do is to just scrape the egg gently so you don't crush it. See how it's falling. So that's it. You collect. After you collect them, then you can also, if you don't want to do this, you can just use these eggs like this and incubate them. Open them, just drop them on top of that's like this, on top of the substrate you want to use to grow to hatch your eggies, your eggs, BSF eggs. But that means you have to have more eggs so that you replace them. But if you want to reuse these ones, you have to collect the eggs like this. This one can help you to weigh the eggs if you want to weigh it and know how much the egg is weighing. So you collect it gently. This one that is in the center, you collect both sides, because they will lay both in front and back of the egg. So you collect both front and back. The ones at the edges, you only collect one side. So after collection, then you incubate. So collecting this one as well. So that's what we do for all these eggs. After you finish, you can just brush off the eggs, the remnant, if there's anything remaining, to make sure there's nothing left on the egg, and prepare it for another set batch of eggs. So this one now, so the same thing with this one. So the same thing with this one. So when you finish, you join them back together. So this is how you join the Eggies. Put three of them, join three together, one in the middle, two at the edges. Make sure they are well set. So use rubber band and hold it together. So this one is set for another batch of egg. So they will lay eggs in between all these crevices here, and this opening between the eggs. So that's how it is done. So if you have not yet subscribed, do it to do so to keep a date with us. We have a lot of updates to bring to you on BSF training, fish farming, rabbit farming, grass cutter farming, ornamental fish breeding, a lot of farming 101. So it's an integrated farm and sustainable farming that we practice here. So subscribe, hit the notification button so that you don't miss any of our updates. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Ciao.